Practicing self-compassion and self-care. Practicing self-compassion and self-care is essential for building resilience and developing a positive self-image. Self-compassion involves treating oneself with kindness, understanding, and empathy, especially during challenging times. Self-care involves prioritizing one's physical, emotional, and mental well-being. By exploring the importance of compassion and self-care, individuals can nurture their resilience and foster a greater sense of self-acceptance and self-worth. Let's go to number 1, understanding self-compassion. Self-compassion is the act of extending the same kindness and understanding to oneself as one would do to a friend or loved one experiencing difficulty. It involves being gentle with oneself in time of struggle, recognizing that everyone faces challenges and acknowledging that experiencing pain and setback is a normal part of the human life. Self-compassion is not about self-pity or self-indulgence, but rather about offering oneself support and comfort during difficult times. Number 2, embracing imperfection with self-compassion. Practicing self-compassion involves embracing imperfection and letting go of unrealistic expectations of oneself. Instead of harshly criticizing oneself for mistakes or perceived flaws, self-compassion allows individuals to recognize their humanness and treat themselves with understanding and kindness. Embracing imperfection with self-compassion fosters a positive self-image and reduces self-judgment. Number 3, cultivating mindful self-compassion. Mindful self-compassion involves being present with one's emotions and experiences without judgment. It is about acknowledging and accepting difficult emotions and thoughts with kindness and curiosity. By cultivating mindful self-compassion, individuals can develop greater emotional resilience and cope with challenging emotions in a healthy and constructive way. Number 4, practicing self-care. Self-care involves prioritizing one's physical, emotional, and mental well-being. It includes engaging in activities that promote relaxation, rejuvenation, and overall well-being. Self-care practices can vary widely, including activities such as exercise, spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness, journaling, reading, engaging in hobbies, or seeking social support. Regular self-care helps individuals recharge, reduce stress, and improve their overall resilience. Number 5, setting boundaries and saying no. Practicing self-compassion and self-care includes setting healthy boundaries and learning to say no when necessary. Setting boundaries helps protect one's physical and emotional energy and prevent burnout. By respecting personal limitations and saying no to excessive demand or commitment, individuals can prioritize self-care and maintain their well-being.